Hi, Psych 303 class. This is Steve. I hope that you're doing really well. I want to do this quick video as a feedback and follow-up to our explaining psychology to a Martian discussion. If you think back, that was our introductory discussion that took place during our week number 1 and 2. And as I was reviewing your posts where you were talking about what it means to be a psychology major, there were a couple things that stuck out to me. One was that many of you were sharing your authentic lived experience as a psych major. In other words, talking about an experience you've had as a psych major and how that experience is maybe impacted your interest and level of passion for the field. We had a number of students kind of giving us maybe your standard textbook definitions of what it means to be a psychology major, and that's okay. But we want to definitely make sure when we're talking about what it means to be a psychology major, we're really making it personal. We're talking about our own experience as a psychology major, and we are focusing on the 3 P's of what it means to be a psychology major: passion, pride, and purpose. So, kind of what interests you in the psych major? What are you most passionate about? How do you show your pride for being a psych major, and the why or what of your overall purpose or mission as a psych major? And then finally, we want to try to tap into what I refer to as psychology major identities. And I am giving you a list of some sample or example identities that, and in my 13 years here at Maryland, and I believe psychology majors develop these identities as a result of their undergraduate education. So some of these you might say, yeah, I can recognize that. Others might maybe not so much. So you can think about and develop your own identities as a psych major, but I'm hoping that some of these identities that you see listed here resonate with many of you in terms of your psychology knowledge, training, and education. So thank you so much for listening, and thank you again for the explaining psychology discussion. I really appreciated everyone's uh, engagement in the discussion, and take care.